Hey everyone, welcome to Dividend IQ. This is the first video on the channel, so if you stumbled across this, thank you for being here at the very beginning. I'm starting this channel to basically document my journey building a dividend portfolio from scratch. Again, I'm not starting with a massive account or decades of experience, just a lot of curiosity for dividends in general, a love for data and stocks and charts, and a real desire to grow passive income over time, focusing on the passiveness. Right now, my account is small. I'm talking under $5,000, but that's kind of the point. This isn't about the flashy gains you usually see or the get rich quick plays that are so popular. It's about being consistent, learning fundamentals, and hopefully showing that even small steps can build into something huge, especially when it comes to dividends. On this channel, I'll be digging into dividend-paying companies, the kind that send out reliable cash flow, whether the market's up, whether the market's down, no matter what the news is, they are giving out a consistent dividend. I'll be going into deep dives into individual stocks, looking at things like payout ratios, dividend growth history, financials, and recent news that can impact their long-term outlook. Let me show you a quick example of how I've been doing it. Go through the numbers, break down what they mean, and share my honest thoughts. Because they're my honest thoughts, though, this is not financial advice, just the real research that I've been doing from someone who is learning right along with you, not someone with decades of experience, just learning along with you. I'll also be tracking my own portfolio in real time using this Google Sheets function, showing you what I'm buying, why, and how it's all progressing month by month. At the end of each month, I'll share updates including how much I earned in total of dividends throughout the month, any new buys and for reasons why, and what I've learned in the past month that I can share with you. So here's what you can expect moving forward. Some stock breakdowns of specific stocks, basis of dividend news and reactions to the news and how I expect things to turn out because of said news, updates to my portfolio, whether that be buys, sells, new payouts. Also includes passive income tips. I'll be saying anything that comes across that will be relevant to the channel, and honest conversations as an investor that is just starting out. My goal isn't to pretend I have all the answers, it's just to build knowledge and money. But if you're also on this path, I hope this channel helps you feel a little less wigged out by it. I know there's a lot of videos on the internet right now about dividends, but I feel like a lot of them are glossed over when it comes to options trading and going for the short-term gains. But if the consistent retirement type of wealth that you're looking for, if that sounds like you, then feel free to subscribe, leave a comment, or even just follow along. I'll be posting my first stock deep dive soon, and I'd love to hear what companies you're looking into. Thanks again for being here from the start. This is Dividend IQ, and we're just getting started.